Welcome to a video tutorial on how to upload documents into the Accommodate system. You can log into Accommodate through www.nscc.ca or log in through your Brightspace portal. If you are asked to sign in, use your college-issued W number and your college password. When logging in, select Student. On the main page, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Accommodation. More options will appear below. Click on Documents. Click the blue button labeled Add New Accessibility Document. A new form will appear where you can upload your file. Enter a title for your document, then click the gray button labeled Upload File to attach your document. When you're finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the blue button labeled Submit. If you have uploaded the wrong file and need to delete it, please contact your student accessibility specialist and let them know. Students are not able to delete files once they have been uploaded. For more information or support, contact Accessibility Services at your campus or email accessibility.services@nscc.ca.